In this tutorial, I'll show you how to see your Steam purchase history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find and review every transaction on your Steam account, so you can quickly confirm recent charges and past purchases. First, open Steam. On your desktop, launch the Steam app and wait for the main window to load. You should see the Store, Library, and Community tabs along the top. Next, move to the top right corner and click your account name. This opens a small menu tied to your profile and account settings. From here, select Account Details. The Account Details page opens in the main window. This is where Steam keeps your personal information, wallet balance, and store history. You're only viewing information here, so nothing will change just by opening this page. Now, click View Purchase History. You'll find this option in the Store and Purchase History section. Click once, and Steam will load a list of your transactions. At this point, scroll to see all transactions. Use your mouse wheel or the scroll bar on the right to move through the list. The purchase history displays each transaction on your account, including the date, what was purchased, and the total amount. You'll see entries for games, downloadable content, in-game purchases, wallet top-ups, and other store activity tied to your account. As you scroll, check that each line looks correct. The list is chronological with your most recent transactions at the top. Older entries appear as you continue scrolling down. If your account has many purchases, it may take a moment for the full list to populate as you move through it. Now, that's normal. Just keep scrolling to load more history. If you pause on any entry, you'll notice that the information is organized so you can quickly match the date and total amount with your own records. This makes it easy to verify a recent charge or confirm exactly when you bought a game or added funds to your Steam wallet. You're still just reviewing information at this stage, so there's no risk of changing or removing anything by scrolling or reviewing the page. Once you've reached the bottom or found the entry you were looking for, you can scroll back up at any time to recheck recent purchases. The purchase history remains available from your account details whenever you need to revisit it. That's it. You've opened Steam, gone to your account details, clicked View Purchase History, and scrolled through your full Steam purchase history. Your transaction list is now visible and ready to review whenever needed. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.